waffe CEO Pastor Yiga abizayo era nga tugamba nti omukulu mungi gwalese, of course the church itself, TV kwe twogerera essaawa zino wamu ne revival band n'abayimbi baayo. Musajja gwoyinza okwogerako tetujja kumala paka lwe tunaamugalamiza ku lunaku olusembayo olwe Sunday, era nga wegambye nti every time tufuna new guest ono ayogera bingi oba ayina byalondo oba n'ayogera ku musumba Augustine Yiga. Tetwawudde sekiti ya ddiini, tetwawudde tribe, wabula abadde muzaŋŋanda. A man who welcomes everybody is a man of all season. Therefore, in the studio right now, I welcome the lady herself, Angella Katatumba.
Thank you so much.
Musician, artist, socialite, businesswoman. A very great friend to late Pastor Augustine Yiga. You're most welcome on the show, and please say hello to the viewers. And we can see most surprising trendy flower you've brought, and you're the first of its kind. Since we received guests, since we started receiving guests in studio and in the church, no one has brought such. You'll tell me how you came about it. Yes, talk to the viewers.
I am so happy to be here today, but also very sad. Always happy to be on ABS TV because you've always promoted me, and I thank you so much for that support.
Thank you very much.
But of course I'm sad because Pastor Yiga was my friend.
Very great friend, I know.
And actually it's from that first interview we had.
Here.
That's when he came and he said, and remember we met, and he said, I love your voice, Angela, give me your number. I want to work on something with you.
Yes.
So I said, no problem. He called me. We met up at Serena Hotel for lunch, where we discussed numbers.
Issues
on ground.
On ground.
How much to pay for me as an artist to sing his song.
Yeah.
How much to pay for the production, everything. So he's such a man of his word that whatever he said, he did. You know? That's very few people who are like that. Others will say, "Njakola chintu chino ne batachikola ne babuza." But he said, "I want you to do a song. How much do we pay?" We negotiated. The song is called "This Boy." Kati now the song it has a South African feel. And he said he has always had that song, but in Uganda, abada anonya somebody with a powerful
voice to fit in that kind of song.
He wanted somebody with a powerful voice. He goes, Angela, I know you have a powerful voice, so you're the one to sing this song. I was like, yeah, Pastor, you should, yes. So I said, Webale. Then we went to the studio. Now for him, he told Stain, the producer, to against Bank Records at Big Talent. Nagamba Stain. Ojukiro luyimba lwa ti do 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 la do ti. That one of Brenda Fassie.
Exactly.
Nti omwalo ono, I want her to sound like Brenda Fassie. I have so much power in her voice. I want this song ejoyo power eyoyo now. So stay Najikola, and we managed it in studio. Omanyisi manyi Luganda bulungi.
I know.
The pastor also was struggling with English. So to add mbogo zaffe. Then sometimes he would tell me what to sing, and then I do the wrong thing. Then agamba sakalo badesi gambe yo. Then he would tell Stain mubulira akole boti. Then Stain would translate. So
Stain not translating on the side of you, which is mu Luganda. Ate not translating on the side of the pastor, which is mu Luzungu.
Exactly. Yeah, but that shows you how people from different cultures, different tribes, different nations we're just united by one thing, music.
Music, yes.
Yeah, so he wrote the song, it's half Luganda, half English, and he wrote it just for me, Angella Katatumba, This Boy, written by Pastor Yiga. So right now it's being mastered by Big Nash. We should be releasing it tomorrow.
Oh, good. Good to hear that.
God willing, yeah.
God willing, let's see to welcome that song, Big Boy.
This Boy.
This Boy. This Boy. So,
and the song, is about a woman who's so in love. It's for these conjurers. It's about a woman who's so in love that her love made her blind.
Yeah, so that's the song. Okay, Angela, last time when we were on the show, I remember properly, Pastor Yiga, even you remember he made some extra time for the show and said, beautiful Angela, you're here, we love the story of your past, your present, the court cases and so forth and so on. And he said, no, give Angella Katatumba more 30 minutes. Yes, I remember properly.
I remember now.
And he came here, was a jolly man talking to you. You had this and you had that, and finally you reached that compromise of business.
Yeah.
And the business thing is the song, which is going to be released tomorrow.
Yes.
Now, what would you say? How would you describe this person? How would you describe him? Yes, we've seen the kind of life, music, and so forth and so on. But in terms of friendliness with people, friendliness with music world, friendliness with the other pastors, what would be?
I think that pastor was extremely talented, and I think he was very, very blessed and extremely kind and very classy. Pastor was a very classy man.
True that.
You know what I'm saying? The fact that even the first day we met for a business meeting was Serena. You know, he had his class. Even the cars he was driving, even you can see the TV station, he had his class. And very honest and extremely talented. He surprised me. You know, he's written many hit songs, you know, for artists. So he was just too talented. He should have also been a musician with us on stage.
Okay, the likes of Angella Katatumba, we are very delighted for you to come. We are very thankful for the flower, and we are going to deliver it to Pastor Jengo. He will take care of it, and on the burial day, definitely the casket will be in the church on Saturday, the whole day from morning tonight until the next Sunday, when we shall have our burial. We are very happy for what you've done for us. On ABS, genda ku ABS TV official, our YouTube channel. We are streaming live. Erane Angella Katatumba je tuli. Genda ku Facebook page yafe ya ABS TV Kawala. We are live there, streaming live. Everything shall be giving you live all the way from here. Angella Katatumba tukwebaza nnyo era webale nnyo okujja okutukungubagira. Mukama akonze.
Thank you. Thanks for appreciating.
You're most welcome. Fik today